Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V19 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a slow motion video in your phone Vivo V19. First of all, in your phone, open camera. Click here for camera. Now click on more button. Click on SLO option here. Now start recording your video. I record this video. While recording it be like a normal video, but after playing that video will be in slow motion. I stop the video now and play the video. This is the video. See the action. Action is in very slow. It's playing in very slow. So in this way you can easily take a slow motion video on your phone Vivo V19. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.